As a recognized leader in the steel casting industry, Eagle Alloy has one of the finest shell molding facilities in the country and offers a broad range of services to help manage your project, including 3D solidification simulation software used to detect and correct any problems prior to patterns being made and to ensure your parts meet all drawing and specification requirements. Our shell molding process produces a high-quality, close-tolerance casting, giving us the ability to produce castings up to 400 pounds. The exceptional repeatability of our shell process ensures consistency from one order to the next. Airset molding is also available for low-quantity production runs with medium tolerances, making us your one-stop shop for all your production needs. Our customer-first philosophy, ISO-approved procedures, and lean manufacturing concepts streamline our production processes, allowing for reduced waste, shortened throughput of castings, lower casting prices, and allow us to react quickly to ensure your orders are completed on time, every time. As part of the Eagle Group, we manage your project from concept to completion.